Okay, so first look at this scooter before I disassemble it to see how it chooches. You can see there's some over tightened screws here. This is obviously not been done with any kind of torque wrench or anything like that, just giving it the full beans, and it's cracked the plastic just ever so slightly. There's a stress crack. Same with there and the same with there, although I've removed that one already. Looking at the welding here, looks pretty darn good, I have to say. It's fully welded construction, which is nice. None of this tacked together, only just malarkey. As I mentioned earlier, it was front wheel drive and has a 350 watt electric motor, brushless of course. And it is possible to convert these to two wheel drive with some serious modding, as you'll see in one of my next up and coming videos. Right, let's crack on with it. Well, some apprentice went at it with a dog beaver because this screw is bent, like really bent. This is the straightening department at work, but hey ho, we're not supposed to be doing that. Okay, so we're inside the little scooter, very similar to the esa5000 scooter as I said before, 6 FET controller. This is not app compatible unlike the esa5000, but it does have regen and a higher wattage motor unlike the esa5000. So it's a pretty decent machine in that respect. It's fully welded there, as you can see. You see the stop start there, which looks really good. But hey ho, it's fine. But there is no, from what I can tell, ingress protection in this thing again, except for around here. There's nothing to stop it coming through the folding mechanism. So if I fold that, you can see down there, water could get in here, through here, and there's your controller right there, which has some plastic around it, but it's not fully waterproof. And there's the battery, which is the major concern. So if it shorts out the BMS, there's potential for a fire hazard there, fire explosion hazard. So you can fix this very easily yourself, however, by getting some rubber sealant, sticking it in there, job done. Apart from that, from a hobbyist point of view, it's really good, but from a safety point of view, as standard, it's not so good. That's to say the least. I mean, the frame's pretty solid on it, as you can see there. Everything is fully welded, and I mean fully welded. Not the best alley welds I've seen, but they're good enough. Battery is held in by 4 Allen keys, and the controller is the same. Right, let's pull this apart a bit further. Right, to unplug your battery, you've got to remove this connector here, and this connector here, which is for charging. This goes over these little clips, like so. You remove the 4 Allen bolts to hold the battery in. And there's your battery pack, which appears to be pretty solidly constructed with Sanyo 18650 cells, and these cell holders are actually some of the best I have ever seen, and I'd like to know where you buy them from, so I'll be investigating that later. Pretty impressive, I have to say. BMS is on the bottom, but that does make the water ingress situation a lot worse because it's right here in the bottom of the scooter. And yes, on the end here, this is duct tape. This is factory, by the way. It's definitely not been... Yep, that's duct tape. Right, I'll carry on a bit deeper. Okay, so I've got inside the control of the scooter is about as far as we're going to get. Here you can see the battery bay. You can see some of the welds around there. It's actually a bit of a pain to weld due to its shapes. It's all machined aluminum, so that's pretty impressive. There's the controller there. It's actually got a die-cast aluminium backing on it. Well, it might be investment cast, but who cares? You know what I mean. It's a cast aluminium backing, and there's a load of sticky Sikaflex rubbery stuff holding that controller in, as well as 3 bolts, 3 set screws rather. So yeah, it's pretty secure now. It's not going anywhere, and getting it out without destroying it is going to be quite difficult. So I should just leave that be. It's not really any need to take it off. It's see-through, and you can see through the cover there. We've got a few caps, branded, unbranded, but they look decent enough. Capacitor plague's not really a problem in this day and age. 100 volts, 470 microfarads. So yeah, pretty impressive apart from the waterproofing. The waterproofing on this is absolutely diabolical, and I would highly recommend you doing the modification with some silicone sealant right up in there. That concludes this video. See you later.